Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to handle a logarithm question whereby we are told to use logarithm tables to evaluate the cube root of 36.72 multiplied by 0.46 squared divided by 185.4. Then we obtain cube root of everything. Remember to subscribe to the channel and to also share the link with friends. I'm going to divide by working space, whereby I will have a table here of number, its standard form, and the logarithm. Standard form, logarithm. So I'm going to start with the first number in this question, which is 36.72. So this is going to be 3.672 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1. Therefore, the logarithm will start with 1 point. Now, I look for the logarithm of 3.672. So the log of 3.672 is going to be 5649. The next number, which is 0.46, will have a standard form as 4.6 multiplied by 10 bar 1, or rather negative 1, so that the logarithm starts with bar 1 point, the logarithm of 4.6. So the logarithm of 4.6 is going to be 6628. 6628. Now, something we should note about this second number is that it has been squared. So when the number is squared, then we should multiply the logarithm by 2. We multiply the logarithm by 2. This is going to be 6 because of 16. Carry 1. This is going to be 4 plus 1, which is going to be 5. This is going to be 12. So 2. Carry 1. This is going to be 12 again, plus 1, we get 13. Carry 1. So we're going to be having 2 times bar 1, which is going to be bar 2, plus the 1 we have carried. We get bar 1. When we have bar 2 plus 1, bar 1. So when we multiply by 2, that is what we get. Now something else to be noted is that the first number and the second number are being multiplied. Therefore, we add their final logarithms now. So this one and this one has to be added. And we're going to get 9 plus 6, 15. So 5. Carry 1. This is 4, so it becomes 5 plus 5, 10. So 0, carry 1. This is 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, we get 9. Then we have 6 plus 3, we get 8. Point 1 plus bar 1, we get 0. 1 plus bar 1, we get 0. Let me go to the third number, which is 185.4. This will be 1.854 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2. So the logarithm will start with 2. Then I find the log of 1.854. This gives me 2681. 2681. Now, something to be noted is that the first numbers and the last ones are being divided. Therefore, the final logarithm from the numerator should be subtracted from the logarithm from the denominator. Therefore, this one and this one have to be subtracted. Therefore, now I'm going to subtract this. I'm going to subtract this. And when I subtract this, I'm going to have 5 minus 1, which is 4. 0 minus 8, so this becomes 10 after carrying 1. 10 minus 8, we get 2. This, after borrowing 1, it became 8 minus 6 to give us 2. This is 8 minus 2, give us 6. Point. We have 0 minus 2. So we'll get bar 2. Instead of minus 2, we write bar 2 in logarithms. Therefore now, this is all the additions and subtractions on the logarithms. The other thing now is to work on the root here, which is the third root. Therefore, to obtain third root, we have to divide logarithms by 3. So to divide logarithms by 3, we should make the characteristics or the characteristic of this number divisible by 3 independently by subtracting 1 from it, because it is already -2 or bar 2. So we subtract 1, we make it bar 3. Then now we are going to add the one we have subtracted. We add it to the Mandisa part, which is 0.6224, to have it as 1.6224. So we are going to divide independently by 3. That is what it means by obtaining the third root. Therefore here we'll get bar 1. Then we add when this other side is divided by 3, 1.6224. 1.6224 divided by 3. So we're going to have 0.5408 when we add them together. So this is what we are going to get after the compilation. So now the other thing is to get the anti-logarithm. So what we're going to have is, because the characteristic of this answer is bar 1, it means the answer is going to have 10 power negative 1. Then now we obtain the anti-logarithm of this portion. Therefore, shift logarithm of this part, which is going to be 3.474. So when we multiply with the power here, we're going to have 0.3474. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.